So now we will see that steps for Challan. Steps for Challan tracking number. We have to go to accounting vouchers and then we have to press F11 and press F2. Make yes for using tracking number and use rejection inward towards inward or outward nodes and save it, and then we click on to the counting vouchers, inventory option button, and we select the receipt note and we enter the reference number, select cash bank creditor's name, select purchase ledger, select item name, quantity and rate of 1 unit, and then save it. When we purchase the Challan items. We have opened our Tally program, ERP9. We are in revision mode, silver edition. We select a company. Select our store. And we go to counting vouchers. We press F11. Accounting features came up and we'll press enter. We will press enter and go into budget control. It is not here, so we will press F2. It is inventory features. We will go here, use tracking number. It will be made yes. So we have changed it to yes, and then we will also make it yes. Rejection inward outward notes. We will also change it credit notes, debit note. It was done earlier. So now we'll go to inventory vouchers. This is receipt note. If we purchase something, we will select this receipt note. Like it is given here, we will go to the receipt note. Go to the receipt note, we have to enter the reference number. Suppose we enter 1212. Then we select our creditor, Sunday creditor, because we are purchasing AV Enterprise. Select purchase ledger. We want to buy some copies. Now we have to take not new number, not applicable, not one also. We have to take the receipt note number that we used earlier, 1212. And we select the quantity 20. If I get 4% discount. And now I will take another 20 quantities. Now here he will give me. I will not change the discount rate. End of the list. I bought 40 pieces of copies. Now I buy pen. Main location. If I want to change the BK location, I can also change my location, main location. So I have made my receipt note. Suppose if I now want to, I have made the receipt note from where I can check this receipt note. I will see the steps. can if I want to see the challan, I escape and go to profit and loss account and I press ALT plus F1. Here you can see I have purchase bill to come is this is my tracking voucher. If I double click the tracking voucher, bills to come, goods received but bills not received. It is initial quantity, pending quantity, discount is 4%, this value is 3072, pen is heavy enterprise. So you can see that we have purchase bill to come here, 20 pieces of copies, 50 pieces of pen. Now if I want to return my purchase again to my supplier, so I will again select F6 or rejection out, and then I will select rejection out, and if we want to purchase the challan item, we make entry. When we want to return the item, then we select accounting vouchers, inventory button, rejection out, creditors name, select item name, receipt note number. If required any change the quantity, save it. So we select the supplier name, ledger account is heavy enterprise, supplier name, ledger account, we select enter. Select the copies, it has automatically came 40 pieces. Suppose I want to return 20 pieces, end of the list. Suppose I want to return pen, suppose I don't want to return pen because pen is more profitable for me, make it 0 pieces. So we select here we select end of the list, we selected backspace and then we selected end of the list, we select enter. So now I have returned only 20 pieces of copies. So now if I go and see my profit and loss account and I select ALT plus F1, I will see that purchase bill to come was previously 3680, now it has been reduced to 2160. If I double click it, then I will see that this is the tracking voucher, this is the voucher, goods received but bill not recorded. These are the goods received by me but it is not recorded. So how to record it? I will go to accounting vouchers, I will go to the receipt mode, or I will go to journal, I can go to journal mode, I will go to the payment mode, okay, because I want to pay to my supplier. I will pay in cash and I will select this ledger. Which ledger? We will select AB Enterprise. We will have to purchase from AB Enterprise. Suppose we select this purchase and we select any voucher name, suppose 111211. Now we have to select this number 21212, end of the list. See, when I have selected the tracking voucher 1212, automatically this record has came up because it was my tracking number. So see, automatically this tracking number came up 1212. So I don't have to do any changes here, end of the list, enter. I have to just keep on pressing enter, accepted. So I have thus purchased my challan items or the voucher items or the tracking number items. Now the bills have been paid, I have bought it. I can check my profit and loss pressing ALT plus F4. See, bills purchased to come is now gone because I have already, bills have been now paid. Wait, double click, bills pending is not showing because I have all cleared my pending bills and now it has gone. So this was all about purchase bill to come. And if we want to create sales bill to make, see, it is sales bill to make, it is nothing but if we make a receipt for our customer, that is sales bill to make. So similarly, we'll go to accounting voucher. We will select F11 and then you select F1 to see F2 to see F11 and then F2 to see use tracking number. It is delivery notes because it is a sale challan. So I will see it is made, yes, so I'll escape and go back and I'll go to the sales mode. I will select any reference number like 1221. Now I will select the party's name as customer because I am selling. Now I will select. Actually, it is wrong because I have to go to inventory vouchers. Actually, inventory voucher I'll go to delivery note and I'll select the 1221 and I'll select customer. I'll just press enter. Then I'll select sales, just like our receipt note for purchase tracking number. We will select it like. Now I will sell some item. Suppose I want to sell him 20 pence. 20 pence. End of the list. And now I will sell him some copies. Yes, from Vivekan route. So I am selling him 20 pens and 20 copies and end of the list and my tracking number is thus made. So I will go escape and go back and we'll see my profit and loss statement LT plus F1. I will see sales bill to come because these are goods delivered, means goods sent to the delivered to the customer, but the bills are not made, means they have not made payment and I have not received my payment. So I will receive my payment in accounting voucher mode. I will go to the receipt mode and I will receive in my cash or bank. Suppose I receive my cash and I select customer. Now it is payment. Suppose I select 2 rupees against reference. Now I have to select sales. Sorry. Now I will select here 1, 2, delivery note. See, when I have selected this number, if I go to accounting vouchers and I select I enter any reference number 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to select my customer, that is sundry debtors. I have to select this tracking number because this is my tracking challan number of my sales or delivery note. So I have selected this and then I select end of the list and I press enter. I pressing enter, and this automatically list of all the items 10, 20 units, copies 20 units is sold. Escape, end of the list. Enter. I'm just pressing enter, end of the list, and I press enter and it is accepted. Now the sale is made and my delivery note or sales bill to come is sales bills to make is gone and I have made a profit of how much? 1470 rupees. If I select the net profit, I am not seeing my profit. Okay, I have to go to balance sheet and check my LTF1. If I see my profit and loss, you can see this is my total gross profit 1200, net profit from indirect expenses. If I see bad debt, interest and loans, okay, these are my indirect expenses. Net profit is this is my gross profit. Why it is not opening, I don't know. Gross profit. So this was all about your steps for purchase or sales notes or delivery or receipt note. Hope you have enjoyed and learned something about this new topic of Tally. Thank you for watching.